Hey guys, so I wanted to do another video so that way you guys can see how to use the calculator where the sine, cosine, and tangent is located, and just a reminder of how to round. So I'm going to start with sine 25. Remember the degree mark, you want to be in degrees. That says DEG. And nearest hundredth is just 2 decimal places. So I'm going to find the sine button, which is right there, and click 25 and hit enter. Remember, when I'm looking at this, I have 0.42261. They want 2 decimal places, so they want 0.42. I'm going to look at the 2 next to it. Since it's just a 2, it's going to be 42. So you didn't have to round in that one. Okay, next is cosine. Cosine 19. Oops. Enter. I have 0.945. They want 2 decimals. I'm going to look at that 5. Since it's 5 or more, that 4 is going to go up. So it's going to be 0.95. Okay, because of that 5, that 4 went up one number to a 5. 0.95. Okay, now we have sine 34. Hit enter. We have 0.5591. They want 2 decimal places because it's the hundredths. So I'm going to look at that 0.559. Since that's a 9, it's bigger than 5. This 5 is going to become a 6. So it's 0.56. You had to round because of the 9. Next is tan. So remember, make sure you hit tan. 73. Remember, you can turn your cell phone sideways and you will see these sine, cosine, and tangent on your phone as well. So if you don't want to use the decimals, but if you notice, I can pull up this dual screen right here just like you guys could. Just an option. So this one is 3.2708. They want 2 decimal places, so 3.27. This 0 makes it stay, so you don't have to round on this one. Okay, another tan 20. Enter. 0.363. That 3 is less than 5, so the 6 stays, so you don't have to round. It's just 0.36. Okay, another one is cosine 53. 0.601. Because of the 1, you don't have to round, so it's just 0.60. Okay, another one is tan 5. Enter. 0.087. Because of that 7, the 8 is going to round up to a 9. So it's going to be 0.09. Okay, let's see what our score is so far. So you know, we're already at a 55. This is going pretty quick. Cosine 43. We have 0.73. We don't have to round because of that 1. Oh, wrong button, this one. Then we have cosine 12. Enter. We have 0.9, and then we want to look because of that 8. The 7 is going to round up to an 8. It's going to go up 1. So instead of a 7, it's going to become an 8. Okay, then we have cosine 82. And we get 0.1. We want to check that 9 is bigger than 5, so that 3 is going to become a 4. Okay, and then they make you do this chart here for these. So it's just practicing everything. This was on the last one too. So sine 6 is 0.10. We don't have to round up because of that 4. Then they make you do cosine 6. Okay, you have 0.99 because of that 4. You don't have to round. It's just 0.99. and then you have tan 6. And because of that 5, at 0 is going to become a 1, so it's 0.11. Okay, and then so far, you see right there, I'm at a 72. Okay, so just take your time on these. I'm going to check to see what score, I'm going to keep going until I get to the ones that we haven't learned yet, so I can tell you what score you should be able to achieve on these. So just keep practicing. It's just a matter of practicing sine, cosine, tan, and also rounding. So like if you've been struggling on rounding, this is a really good opportunity, not only to start practicing or learning trig, but also your rounding abilities. So if you are struggling, take the opportunity to really try to round and figure it out, and don't get frustrated. Just take it as an opportunity to kind of fix some of the skills you might need a little bit of help on. Okay, if you need any extra help, just shoot me an email, ask me a question, and good luck.